This is a 13-inch MacBook Pro A1989. Today we helped our customer upgrade their SSD to 4 terabytes. The original SSD is 1 terabyte. It is known MacBook SSDs after 2018 are all soldered. Upgrading is very troublesome, but we can still get the job done. We also often help customers from all over the world upgrade large capacity SSDs. First, remove the original 4-grain-old hard drive. Clean up the original residual glue. The soldering wire absorbs and smooths each solder joint. After processing the solder pad, MacBook SSDs after 2018 are all soldered. Start to install the 4-grain SSD with the program in sequence. Install it into the corresponding position on the motherboard. U8600, U8700, U8800, U8900. After the installation is completed, you need to restore the system in recovery mode. Power on test. The system has shown 4 terabytes.